Okay, let's go over the exercise and see how it works. Okay, I have copied the same tasks from the first project, and we will need all these tasks here. And the first thing I will do is to highlight number 1. So what I do here, I will put, right click, insert task, and there is an insert task, and what I put here is, I will just say empty row. Hit enter. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna indent line 2, 3, 4, and 5. Indent. Again, what I will do here, I would insert another milestone, and I will call it empty room, and this is 0 duration. You can see that when I type this, it's with the same level with the indent one. So what I will do here, I will do that, and I will click out dent task, and it will make it with the same level as the one above. I actually don't like the name here. Maybe I can just say room is empty. So you can see here, painting room, anything related to painting, I will indent them. Indent, and that's mine. But before we do that, I think it's better to add, or just do out indents, and I will add another milestone here. I will call it, oops, we have already one. Let's see, if you click in 3, it will give you 3 insert. So click insert task, this task, I will call it anything related to paint, so I will just say paint room. Enter, and this paint, anything related to painting will be indent with this one. So shift painting, and review the room. When it's ready, I will go indent, and you can see all these are under painting room. Now I can insert my milestone. So insert task, oops, just undo, insert task, and I will call this room. I can say is room is painted. Enter. This is my milestone, 0 days. I can have this one out dent, so it's not in the same level with the one above it. And now I can add another milestone here, or another task, and I will call it can say it's replace we call it equipment do the same thing. I will indent 14, 15, and 16. And also 17. And I now can call my project complete. This is my milestone. Okay, and you can see a total of 6 days, and in this point I have my total task in. So I need 5 days to empty the room, I need 4 days to paint the room, I need 6 days to replace equipment. Now I can see my project summary task for the whole project. So I click for format, and in format I click project summary task, and I can see my project name, module answer 3, and the total of this project is 6 days. Will start in October 20th and finish in 27, as it's shown here in the Gantt chart, from where until where it will be. Okay, let's say for the removing curtain, it's 5 days. Will start on the 20th and move up to 26, but the guy here will stop working Friday and he will resume at Tuesday. So to do that, go to task, need to split the work, we split task, we come to 23 of October, and he will come back in 1 of November. Now I split my task, and you can see the duration change from 6 days to 9 days.